Sounds like a plan.
These people don't know nothing around here.
I know. Hey, you old fool, come here.
What are y'all followers for?
We just want to ask you a question, you old fool.
What is it?
Well, we're looking for death, and we need to know where it is now.
Do what?
We're looking for death.
You said death.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, death. Yeah. Yeah, that's him. Death. Well, if you want to find death, hold on, my memory is lost. Fine.
Will you stop taking our time?
Shh. Okay, death. You go past the creek, down the road, through the woods, down, hold on. Yeah, my memory is right. You'll find a little clear spot in the woods. And there, you will find the death. Sincerely, death. Okay, kids, go on. Be gone. Go. Toodaloo.
Hot dog we found. Huh? We're here. Hot dog.
Hey, Nick, why don't you go to town and get us some drinks?
All right.
Celebrate.
I'll be back in no time.
Go on now.
I
Don't
can't
take our
believe we
time.
found.
Brooke, what are you supposed to do with Nick?
What are you talking about, Kate?
You know what I mean. We kill Nick and share our fortune.
Man, that sounds like a great plan.
How are we going to do it? When Nick gets back, we stab him.
Alright, here he comes. Let's hide.
I'm trying to get some poison up in these two wine bottles here. I mean, I want them rats dead. I got some rats in my yard at home. I want them bitches dead.
There you go.
Thanks. I'll see you next week. Oh, hot dog. I get it all to myself.